Yes, yes, yes. You too can attract heaps and heaps of money and wealth just like millionaires and successful entrepreneurs. But if you understand how exactly the law of attraction works and you take advantage of the law to manifest abundant wealth, it doesn't matter if you are a self employed person wanting to increase your sales, or an employee who is working for another company, or even if you are a freelancer. And in fact, even if you're not currently working, if you're unemployed, maybe you are just a student, even then, this video is going to help you manifest a lot of money and wealth in various different ways. So keep watching till the end. Various successful and famous people, millionaires, billionaires, they tell us that we should first think like a millionaire to become one. And that is true because when we behave and think like millionaires, we attract similar situations, similar circumstances to actually, in reality, become one. That's all right, but how exactly to think like millionaires? We don't really know that. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you exactly that. Billionaires like Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Ambani, Ratan Tata, Jack Ma, these people might or might not believe in the law of attraction, but that really doesn't matter because the law of attraction is always working without fail. Whether someone believes in it or not, whether someone knows about it or not. But there is one fact: these billionaires, with or without their knowledge, have taken advantage of the law of attraction. Because of this law, they have managed to attract heaps and heaps of wealth. And that secret lies in their mindset and belief system. If you closely observe their thought processes, you will realize one thing: all these billionaires, multi-millionaires, they have very common mentality. Their mindset is more or less very similar, and their belief system, their actions, their mindset have allowed the universe to deliver more and more abundance to them. So I'm going to delve deeper into their minds and tell you how they impress their subconscious minds with thoughts of success and wealth, so that you too can shift your thoughts, belief system, and actions just like that of the billionaires. There are six core elements in the belief system of every multi-millionaire. In this particular video, which is the first part, I'm going to talk about the three core elements in great detail. So please, please, please pay attention to everything that I say. The first element that these billionaires have in their belief system is passion. Passion is a very strong emotion, and the universe absolutely loves it. Whenever a person is passionate about something, the universe unfolds various beautiful things in his or her reality. So now let us go back to the billionaires. These people are successful today because they are extremely passionate about the things that they are doing. And I don't care if you are a student, if you are unemployed, whether you are working in a day job or you are into business, you are just starting out as a startup, but you can attract really, really a huge amount of wealth, but only if you get this one thing right. And that is loving what you are doing, enjoying the process. Sometimes we don't even realize that the thing that we are doing doesn't really interest us, but still we try to make it happen because someone told us that it is going to make us a lot of money. Let me give you an example. Lakhs and lakhs of students each year, they appear for the engineering exam. Lakhs of students get into the engineering colleges because maybe his family, his friends, or maybe some neighbor told him that if he or she does engineering, he's going to make a lot of money. But I bet most of those students might have some other interest. They might not even like engineering, they might not like science. Similarly, some people start business in the field that they might not have any interest at all. They are doing it because some XYZ person, some entrepreneur, some motivational speaker told them that this field can make them money. When someone is not passionate about the thing that they are doing, gradually they lose interest in it. and they stop doing it. That is why so many people start with a lot of enthusiasm that, yes, we are going to start a new startup, a new business. But soon they lose interest and their business ends there. And they might even develop some negative thoughts about business. But believe it or not, if you know what you're passionate about, if you love doing what you are doing, even if it is just some work that you are doing for someone else, you're working for a company, but you are enjoying that job. If you are into business, if you are enjoying that thing that you are doing, if you are a student, you might have some hobbies. If you are enjoying that thing, trust me on this, soon, very, very soon, you will find that work is bringing you heaps and heaps of money. With time, it is only going to grow bigger, 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 and the universe is going to give you many more avenues related to that particular work, that particular hobby, that particular thing that you are doing, so that you can make money in multiple streams using that thing. You will find that the money is flowing in from all sides. The second very important element that the billionaires have in their belief system is the spirit of serving and helping others. Whether that person is an entrepreneur, a Bollywood star, a football star, these people, whatever they do it to help others. They are serving their customers. These football players, actors, actresses, these people are into entertainment. Everybody has this one motive of serving others, helping others, or they are solving some people's problems. But unfortunately, for most of the people in this world, they are very, very self centered. They just think about themselves, how we can make money, how we can get love, how we can be happy. Very, very few people think about how to solve other people's problems, how to help them out. But the fact is, if we look out for each other, if we start helping each other, that is when all the problems of the world will end. No one is going to have any lack of money. Let me give you an example. Here's the difference between a successful entrepreneur and a person who fails to make it big, person whose business shuts down soon. Person A focuses only on how he can make money. His sales are not increasing and he's really worried about it. But he is not really worried about how he can help his customers, why the people are not buying from him. He is trying every XYZ marketing techniques to advertise his company, to expand his reach, but he doesn't really care about his customers. Whereas person B is only focused on solving his customers' problems. He is all about helping his customers, even if it means making some losses in the beginning, but he's helping them out. That is why the people are happy, the customers are happy, and these people are going to person B instead of person A. And gradually, with time, person B's sales are increasing. Why? Because he cares about the people he's serving, but person A doesn't. He's only concerned about making money. He has a big budget of advertising, but he has a negligible budget for customer service. Now, with this example, I'm trying to prove this point that if you are really concerned about other people, about helping them, that is when your belief system turns from the low vibration, which is selfishness, which is desperation, to some positive vibration by helping others with this spirit of serving others. And nobody can fake it. If you really feel it, that is what you are going to attract more. The universe knows it because the universe speaks in the language of vibration, the language of feelings and emotions. Similarly, another example, if you want a job with a higher salary, are you willing to help somebody else get a job? Maybe that person is not working yet. Maybe help them get a job. Maybe this person is just a co worker. Help them grow with you. When you have this spirit inside you, spirit of helping others, serving others, helping other people grow, automatically you will find that you are attracting wealth from various places, different places. because what you give others comes back to you multiplied several times. That is how the universe works. The third important element in the belief system of billionaires is they embrace challenges. When we really want something, most of us just focus on the positive part. And we don't really like if there is some negative situation around it, if there are some challenges to reach that spot. Not always, but sometimes, if our dreams are really big, if we want something really, really big, we have to go through some paths of challenges. We might have to go through some negative circumstances, situations. So, are you ready to deal with both the positive and the negative? For example, I had to go through several rejections from job before I got my dream job. I never even imagined in my wildest of dreams. I got to work for the Prime Minister of India. I got to work for the President of India. It's all about the divine timing sometimes. So we should be able to accept both the negative and the positive. And are you willing to trust the universe no matter what comes your way? Even after the rejections, I had this feeling in my heart. I had this knowingness in my heart that something really better, something really big is waiting for me. I never lost trust in that Almighty, in that God, in that universe. Some entrepreneurs, they start out and they might face several challenges. In fact, this path is full of challenges. There might be days of no sales at all. But are you willing to go on with your journey? Are you willing to embrace and enjoy these challenges and learn from it? This is a journey, a process, whatever field you might be in. It will have some challenges, it will have positive impacts. Are you willing to cross these challenges to go and finally enjoy the fruits of this entire journey? Because these billionaires, they too had challenges. Several of these billionaires like Bill Gates, they failed in their first ventures. Okay, so they lost a lot of money, but they did not lose hope, they did not lose trust, they kept on going, and they are here where they are today. Because for them, failure is not at all a negative word. They see every challenge as a stepping stone to their success. And because of this particular mindset, the universe plans something really, really big for such people. Whereas there are some people, or rather many, many people, who are always scared of doing something. Only negative thoughts keep on going in their heads. What if the law of attraction doesn't work? What if I make a mistake? What if I just fail? What if I lose all my money? What if I get rejected? And these thoughts should completely be erased. Billionaires never think of what if something is going to go wrong. Instead, they think of, even if something goes wrong, I'll learn how to move towards the right direction. So when you have that mindset, the universe falls in love with such person. The universe opens up several new doors of opportunities for this person and brings them abundance and wealth. So these were the three core elements in the belief system of the billionaires. I have also shared the next three core elements in the belief system of billionaires in my next video. So I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.